Everybody, welcome to Vroom Vroom Zoom, and this is season 2 of the Ryobi 36-volt lithium 1 plus. Well, I think it's a 1. Is it 1 plus? No, it's not 1 plus. It's lithium plus system, and there's the battery. Beautiful. Okay, so today I'm going to let you know what it's been like living 1 year, 1 season, and we're sort of, well, it's December now, so sort of in the start of, sort of just into the second season of weekly mowing, basically, from the height of grass growing here in Brisbane. RLM36X46S. Look, I'm gonna let you know a little secret. This lawnmower has taught me how to mow, literally. So what I mean by that is, before I bought this mower, I used to mow, here's my beautiful grass. I used to mow everything on level 0. And if there was a -1 level, I would mow it on -1, because the theory was that the lower the grass, the less you have to mow. So, yeah, needless to say, I had a lot of problems. So what this mower has basically taught me was to mow at a slightly higher level. And the way that it taught me that is because it's super easy to push around, and I don't mind mowing now. Like, I love mowing a lot more now. And I think I mentioned this in the first video. I'll link the first video below. I love mowing a lot more now because, number one, I don't have to go and get petrol. I mentioned it before, but that battery, like, just, it is really inconvenient running down to get petrol for the mower. I don't like doing that at all. And number two, it's the starting button. Like, it's just amazing. Just push it. There's no yanking or priming or anything like that. It's great. Just the convenience of this electric, amazing Ryobi Easy Edge mower that I've got. All right, so look. If you're watching this video, you're probably here to see the longevity of, you know, the build quality of this thing, and I'm happy to report that it's quite good. All the wheels are intact, so no problems whatsoever with the wheels. So it's lasted through the last summer and the winter season quite nicely, no problems at all. I had my doubts about a couple of sections. For example, this here, I was a bit concerned that might snap off. They haven't. You can see it's got a couple of little bumps here, but quite sturdy. The mechanism here, I spoke about that in my first video, and look, to be honest, I haven't really had it retracted or opened. I just left it open the whole time, but yeah, I've had it open the whole time, so I haven't really used this mechanism on and off. It stayed like that, and it's great. There's no problems. The on-off mechanism is still fine, just as good as the day I bought it. So everything has been really good. Yeah, definitely lasted a full season. You know, here's my lawn. It's not terribly huge, 700 square meter block. If I let the grass grow for a little bit, as I have once or twice, the battery doesn't last the whole way, especially if I try to cut it on like 2 or 3. The machine struggles a little bit as it's trying to cut through, you know, that volume. Using the catcher, picking up everything, it definitely struggles to do the whole lot. But 2 charges definitely does it. So 2 charges will get a 700 square meter block done, no problems at all. And the charge is very quick. I have mentioned that in the first video. Still, same, no problems at all. Charges really quickly. I've been mowing most of the time on level 3, and that's what I'm saying. Like, it's nice now. The grass is green. It's nice and lush. Yeah, very happy on 3. I have had it on 2, and because we had about 3 weeks of continual rain here, I then had to do a cut on a 4 and a 5 over the whole lot, and then now I've just done a 3. So that's been the recent development with my grass. But yeah, very happy with it. There's a couple more. The plastic, I will comment about the plastic as well. I did mention I wasn't sure if the plastic's going to last, but so far, again, 1.5 seasons, not bad at all. It's all very much intact, no holes, no issue, no eating away by the dead grass. I've just put the blower over the top at the end of most sessions. There's the mulcher, everything's going well. There you go. So I will just repeat what I said again in the first video, and that is that if you are in the market for a new mower and you have a sort of a standard size tie block, get yourself an electric. You're not going to regret it. A mate of mine has bought the 18-volt Ryobi recently, the 1 Plus mower. So we're going to compare the two soon, I reckon. So I might make a video about that in the near future, so we can have a bit of a comparison between this and the 18-volt version, because I reckon the 36-volt is worth it, but we shall find out. Anyway, that's it, everyone. So if you've got any questions or comments, please let me know. I would really appreciate if you subscribed and hit the like button, and that'd be sweet. Anyway, have a good one. Bye.